It was considered as the revolutionary age. Characteristics. Most important thing was definitely starting of agriculture, and due to agriculture human being become consumer to producer. First time humankind become consumer to producer, and definitely entered in second phase of human economy, that was survival economy. मैंने बताया था, फर्स्ट फेज hunter and gatherer, second phase survival economy, third phase surplus economy. So the entered due to the starting of agriculture, human being actually introduced with second phase of human economy, entered in the second phase of human economy. One more thing is definitely development of animal husbandry as a profession, I mean to say occupation. Development of animal husbandry. Now domestication of animal become development of animal husbandry, and development of animal husbandry, and now animal husbandry, and now due to agriculture, definitely the root cause was agriculture. Due to agriculture क्या होगा, they had to adopt stable life, permanent settlements, or permanent, I mean to say settlements, बस्तियां बनने लग जाएंगी, है ना. So definitely due to agriculture they had been created, I mean to say advent of settlements. Due to agriculture they had been adopted settlements, they had been advented settlements. बस्तियां बसाने लगेंगे ना, बस्तियां. If you want to take care of your agricultural work properly, you have to take care of, I mean to say you have to adopt stable life or settlements. बस्तियां बसा के आप, बिकॉज आप पहले शोइंग करोगे, फिर शूट आएगा, फिर फ्लावर्स आएंगे, फिर फ्रूट आएगा, फिर फ्रूट मैच्योर होगा, तुम्हें वेट करना पड़ेगा, है ना. डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू वेट फॉर योर agricultural products. You have to adopt permanent settlement or settlements. So definitely the root cause was agriculture, entered in the survival economy, hunter and gatherers to survival economy, and then development of animal husbandry, then advent of settlements. And if you are living in settlements, definitely you have to store food or water at the settlements. Before settlements, definitely the human being living in nomadic life, Ghumantu life. The people were living in nomadic life, खानाबदोश लाइफ में रहते थे, है ना. wandering hither and thither for getting foods and water. But after advent of settlements, एक्चुअली उनको अपने फूड का, वाटर का अवेलेबिलिटी बना के रखना पड़ेगा सेटलमेंट्स में. एंड एज यू नो, नेसेसिटी इज द मदर ऑफ इन्वेंशन. Necessity is the mother of invention, and now the need of what? To store food and water, they had to create what? They had to create pot or pottery, and that's why a starting of pottery is a feature of Neolithic age. A starting of pottery. So starting of pottery, a starting of clay pot was also achievement of Neolithic age. है ना भाई, आपको बर्तन बनाना पड़ेगा ना फूड रखने के लिए. पहले तो क्या होता था, बिफोर एडवेंट ऑफ पॉटरी द पीपल वेर कंज्यूमिंग वाटर और फूड, वो कहीं भी कंज्यूम कर लेते थे. रिवर्स वाटर और फॉल वाटर. So definitely they had created pottery for maintaining food and water at settlements. So the necessity is the mother of invention. If you are, अब क्या आपको pottery बनाना है तो ऐसे ऐसे बना रहे हो, definitely it is very time consuming. बट एक ऐसा कोई मशीन होता है ना, ऐसा कोई मशीन होता कि वो जल्दी से जल्दी पॉटरी बना लेता, कि ऐसे घुमाता ऐसे घुमाता ऐसे घुमाता कि पॉटरी बन जाता. तो डेफिनेटली अगेन व्हाट, नेसेसिटी इज द मदर ऑफ इन्वेंशन, एंड दैट्स व्हाई द ह्यूमन काइंड क्रिएटेड or invented invention of pottery maker wheel. Pottery maker wheel. तो pottery maker wheel invented in Neolithic age, invention of pottery maker wheel. And in this way humankind created wheel, which was helpful in manufacturing of pottery, and wheel was definitely helpful in transportation and giving thrust in the human life. wheel के आविष्कार ने क्या कर दिया, ह्यूमन लाइफ में एक बहुत बड़ा थ्रस्ट दिया, मोशन दिया, स्पीड दिया, मोमेंटम दिया. Am I right? So definitely it was great invention of Neolithic age, and these are the important features. That's why Neolithic age is called revolutionary age. It was more important than industrial revolutions changes. Without the invention of wheel, modern world में भी इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन हो पाता क्या, नहीं ना. तो डेफिनेटली दिस एज वाज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट देन रेवोल्यूशन, इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन ऑफ ब्रिटेन, फ्रांस और जर्मनी, ऐसे कहा जाता है ना. So the starting of agriculture entered in the second phase of human economy, survival economy, development of animal husbandry, advent of settlements, starting of pottery, invention of pottery maker wheel, and one more thing, polished arms and tools. Polished arms and tools also started in this period. Polished arms and tools. Polished arms and tools also introduced in Neolithic age, polish arms and tool. Polish. The polish is the symbol of, actually, polish is symbol of, you should know it, the polish is the symbol of growing living standard. Oh my God, they were thinking about living standard. Now they were thinking about the living standard.